So, shit, wala pang ligo.
Oh no!
Walang ligo, walang toothbrush. So dito kami ngayon sa meet up. Bongalon, Barangay Hall. Ay, dito na pala. Gagi. So, andun yan. Meet up. Magpas na kami.
Bruh.
Okay. Asan ba ito? Ayan. So, dito tayo sa meet up.
A few moments later.
So, shit, wala pang ligo. Walang ligo, walang toothbrush. So dito kami ngayon sa meet up. In this part, nagpapaalam po tayo kung pwede tayong mag-vlog. So, thankfully pumayag naman sila, no. So by the way, tinanggal ko pala yung sound kasi baka makopyright tayo kasi may music na tumutugtog. So yun. Matatagpuan pala yung meet up sa Barangay Bongalon, Labrador, Pangasinan. So ito yung logo nila, no. Ito pala yung menu nila, guys. Kayo na lang tumingin. Hindi ko nababasahin isa-isa. Ayan. Na to, tinatanong ko sila kung anong oras nagbubukas at nagsasara ang meetup. So sabi ng owner,
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go.
A few moments later.
So, after 15 to 20 minutes, and nakuha na namin yung order namin. So, ito yung chicks and fries at Clubhouse. At yung lychee Yakult lemonade and blueberry soda. Kain muna tayo.
Takaw kami.
Matakaw award goes to me!
Tadan! Ayun, so tapos na tayong kumain, magbayad na tayo. Magbabayad tayo kay ate. Sabi nga pala ni ate, kung okay lang daw ba na itag natin yung meet up sa Facebook pag pinost yung video. Ayun, so shoutout sa meet up at sa owner at kay ate. Yan. Shoutout sa inyo. Ang sarap ng pagkain. So, pinailaw na yung mga ilaw dito. So, pag madadaanan nyo to pag gabi, sobrang ganda dito. Parang catchy siya. Ang ganda nung ilaw-ilaw niya, parang nag-attract siya ng customer. So, yun yung una naming nagustuhan. Kaya, sabi ko, punta tayo doon, try natin. Ayan. Okay naman yung pagkain nila, masarap naman. Ayun, so ang total pala ng na order namin is 270 pesos. O di ba? Hindi siya ganoon kamahal. Masarap na mura dito. So swak sa budget to, guys. At yun nga, pinagpo-post ko si ate kasi siya yung gagawin kong thumbnail sa YouTube. So medyo nahiya si ate. Thank you, ate. Ayan guys, kakagaling lang natin sa meet-up. Dito nga tinake out na natin yung drinks kasi hindi natin naubos. Bali, kakatapos lang namin mag milk tea. Tapos kasi gusto na namin pumunta doon. Matagal na, lagi kasi namin nadadaanan. Sobrang ganda doon pag gabi. Yung ilaw niya nakaka-attract kasi siya ng customer. Parang magandang kumain. Yun nga lang kasi hindi pa masyadong makita yung ilaw kanina kasi medyo maliwanag pa. Pero pag gabi yun, sobrang ganda doon. Gandang kumain. Parang outdoor restaurant. Tapos masarap yung pagkain nila. Mura pa. Masarap na mura pa. Tapos nag-order ka, nagantay kami mga 15 to 20 minutes kami nagantay kasi lulutuin talaga nila. Medyo mabilis na rin naman. So anong masasabi nyo? Anong masasabi nyo sa lugar? Ikaw Beb, anong masasabi mo? Sabi ng asawa ko, she loves the place. So dito na nga po magtatapos ang vlog. Salamat sa panonood. Comment kayo kung nakapunta na kayo doon sa Makikita, or kung pupunta kayo, kung may mga tanong kayo, diba? Salamat sa panonood at see you sa next ride. Peace.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best.